Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to turn on your direct message on TikTok. So guys, how to fix on TikTok you have direct message. So guys, first of all I request for you all the subscriber, you should be do not forget my YouTube channel, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So first of all, any waste your time, you should open the TikTok app and then you have click on profile. I have already opened my profile. Then you click on menu button at the top and then click on menu button and then should be open on your mobile setting and privacy and then click and first of all you scroll up and then you should be click on report or problem and then and then 5 seconds wait and then he is show on your mobile notification and is up direct message and then few seconds of wait and then you should be see on the screen and you will be on your mobile phone and then you will be and then you will be click on direct message is no longer available and then you will click on no. He is asked for you, is your problem resolved, and then again you report no, your first time on report and TikTok app and then no. So guys, and need more help and then wait seconds and then report your problem. Then you should be right on TikTok team direct message and then and you direct message option and then TikTok team message you on your mobile. So so you should be click on hello TikTok team direct message is not showing in my TikTok. Okay, and you submit your problem and your problem is fixed. So I hopefully guys after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem, so please let me in the comments box. And thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget my YouTube channel, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.